Welcome to Healthista TV. My name's Neil Seligman. Today I'd like to offer a practice to help you for a moment of crisis. So we never know when these moments are going to happen, and it can be useful to drop into our mindfulness practice just to give ourselves a little bit of space and to notice our own resources so that when we deal with whatever's going on, we feel a little bit steadier. So if you'd like to drop into practice with me, we're just going to allow the eyes to close, if that feels comfortable, or just allow the eyes to rest with a soft gaze. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Just get a sense of the breath moving in and out, even though everything else may seem to be moving very quickly through your mind. Just allowing the breath, its rhythm, to inform this moment. So riding the breath, the inhale and the exhale, allowing the breath to feel complete and whole through the body, allowing ourselves to land in this body, in this moment, inviting these next few moments to be simple moments, to slow down just a moment, to give ourselves an extra breath. And as we bring the hand to the heart, or both if that feels comfortable, or if hand to heart doesn't feel comfortable, perhaps just holding your own hand. Remember the wise words of Jack Cornfield, one of the leading mindfulness teachers, who says the heart can hold it all. And as you drop into this moment, just reminding yourself that your heart can hold it all, trusting that it can. And as we bring our awareness to this sense of heart, we're reminded of our own capacity for self-compassion, for tending to the self with care. And so just allowing these moments to be slow, heartful, compassionate moments. And into this awareness of compassion and heart, we drop the question like a pebble into a pond. How can I best take care of myself in this moment? How can I best take care of myself in this moment? And just allowing a little bit more space just to breathe awareness around that question. How can you care for yourself through this experience? And then dropping one more question in like another pebble into our pond. What is my next right step? Not all the steps ahead of that, but just this next one. What is my next right step? Allowing the hands to come to rest wherever is comfortable. And on the next exhale, just coming up and out and allowing the eyes to reopen in their own time.